Alright guys, still out in the frozen tundra here in Northern Ontario. As you can see by my beard, it's just absolutely freezing, about 20 below today. So that was a look at the Big Boy 2000. This is the one with the extra large teeth. The blade's about 14 inches long. It folds to about 16 inches and in total about 30 inches when it's at full length. It's got this true position. That's a hard plated blade, and got the nice rubberized grip. Got the lanyard hole. Made in Japan, and it cuts on the pull, not the push. So you barely have to, you don't even have to press on it. You just have to control it, and it does its thing. These run about 80 to 100 bucks Canadian, probably about $60 US, somewhere around there. And they're absolutely invaluable in the woods. And if you're going to survive a Northern Ontario or a Canadian winter, you have to have one of these things. Something like it, anything like it. This is a great one though. You need firewood, you need to stay warm. Anyways, that's about it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and the review of the Silky BigBoy 2000. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and give me an old like there if you don't mind. Anyways, thanks very much. Have a great week.